Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa. This is Heritage Foundation United Incorporated, through its Clifford J. Palacio Garifuna Language and Culture Academy, invites you to the Saturday classes every Saturday at 11 in the morning at 8039 South Vermont, Los Angeles, California 90044, corner of 81st and Vermont. For more information, visit our website www.garifunaheritagefoundation.org or call 323-898-6841. We are right on the corner of Vermont and 81st at the Community Center. Luma Purete Gafu. Guest teachers every week. Don't forget, language and drumming, as well as Zumba Luma Punta classes for free for all, every Saturday beginning March 22nd throughout the year 2014, 11 a.m. for the Garifuna language classes and 12 o'clock for the Zumba Luma Punta. Get fit, stay fit with Zumba Luma Punta. Free classes for the entire family. Bring your drums and bring the family, and we'll have a good time. Learn Garifuna classes are interactive, and you will learn through singing and drumming. Come and learn about the Garifuna culture and history taught by Garifuna scholars from the diaspora. An invitation by GAFU, the Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United.
Live and direct from Long Beach. This is Radio RadioCentroamerica.com. We have a special show tonight, a special dedication and a tribute to Garifuna Kids. Yes. So while we wait for our guests, we are going to play some Garifuna Kids music. And I want to send a big shout out to all of the audience, everybody listening in Los Angeles, Chicago, New York, all over the place. Let us know where you are. Come to our Facebook page, Ronnie Figueroa, R-O-N-Y Figueroa, in Facebook, so we can communicate and see what you want to hear from Garifuna Kids. A tribute to Garifuna Kids right here, RadioCentroamerica.com, la estación sin fronteras.
Garina Kuma Nare mualta, nare mulelu tagamuni Blanca Tier Garifuna Kids Luka Pe Onibua kama dibu Sara Numa Dua bukalo we Tedi walau Onibua kama dibu Sara Numa Dua bukalo we Tedi walau Okura ono Aro we Tedi 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 Dawo Oh hanyalo we la no goni bo Tuwa kunegetia solieni Oh magalo we la no goni bo Tuwa kunegetia solieni Oh wait there la no goni bo yetao Urumiye ole to ari ni tukuyo Oh wait there la no goni bo yetao Urumiye ole to ari ni tukuyo Oh wait there la no goni bo yetao Urumiye ole to ari ni tukuyo Doko de beta batería no llegue Christian Doga bem Garina koniye Osu atamina na ugari konake Ama palisina Lisa nudu kuyo babu Baho Delinki sapata Kuto bekia Nite taramule Junya Ha papi Daga babe Oh kurumiye hari no mama Oh kurumiye hari no baba Ay bala bahaya yukule baba mira ba mama yukule nito de que banana se mete fonda para la Garifuna ay belo hago yukule mama me mete fonda me mete haya para la Garifuna ay bala mira ba mama para la Garifuna ay romba mama yukule baba de que ba fonda mira ba haya yukule nito yukule mama para la Garifuna para año ta Garifuna que canto ya Oh kurumiye hari hino baba Oh kurumiye hari hino baba Oh kurumiye hari hino mama Mete fonda Garifuna Oh kura no manale luma hamale Hondurana wagwa mata no mayinge Hondurana Catra Jones Roma dari que tira mama Piscina mule saraba saraba Lisi balisi Waine gole ma Durang Balisi Roma dari que tira mama
Angeira no mandago,
La buga
Angeira ni tu genio,
Luba Moriatina Obisanigo
Oniro ni kusanga bumagadinye,
Luba Moriatina Obisanigo
Oniro ni kusanga bumagadinye. Puerto Barrios, tierra de mis amigos,
Puerto Barrios
tierra de mis hermanos,
Le pedí a tus hijos que cuiden tu belleza
porque tú eres bello, mi querido Puerto Barrios,
Le pedí a tus hijos que cuiden tu belleza
porque tú eres bello, mi querido Puerto Barrios. Si vas a Guatemala, pide que te lleven a conocer
a Puerto Barrios
Si vas a Puerto Barrios, pide que te lleven a conocer
a Livingston
a Chevecha, Los Altares, vuelve mujer, Aguasagaré, a Chevecha, ay Los Altares, vuelve mujer, Aguasagaré. Vas a Guatemala, pide que te lleven a conocer
a Puerto Barrios
Si vas a Puerto Barrios, pide que te lleven a conocer
a Livingston a conocer
a Chevecha,
a conocer
Los Altares,
a conocer
vuelve mujer,
a conocer
Aguasagaré. El anare me japina
la bugana
el anare me japina
Bariona
el anare me japina ni tu genio o la bugana bina o bariuna fetuha o ni tu genio bina o la bugana fetuha o bariuna fetuha o ni tu genio bina el anare me japina el anare me japina la bugana el anare me japina ni tu genio
de Honduras, nosotros somos Garifú de Honduras, venimos de
que bate.
baila, baila,
Ay, se mete mal, se está gozando.
baila, baila,
Ay, barube, 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 coco.
baila, baila,
Baila, baila, baila, puta.
baila, baila,
Ay, higabo friend, higabo diva.
baila, baila,
Ay, higabo Oga, higabo Johnny.
baila, baila,
Ay, higabo Tuyo, higabo Junior.
baila, baila,
Ay, David por la pala, Sugar Levana.
baila, baila,
Ay, higabo Oga, higabo Marvin.
baila, baila,
Ay, higabo Nelly, higabo Sahai.
baila, baila,
Ay, higabo Nancy, dime de puta.
baila, baila.
Hey, hey, hey. Ay, no. Ay, con la pares, cababay. Nosotros somos Caricún
De Honduras,
Nosotros somos Caricún
de Honduras
Venimos de Honduras
y Guatemala,
Venimos de Belice
y Guatemala.
Vamos, vamos a bailar
Con Caripunaki,
Vamos, vamos a rumbar
con Caripunaki,
Vamos, vamos a bailar
con Caripunaki,
Vamos, vamos a gozar
con Caripunaki.
Hey, hey. Ay, no. California Kids. Rubicon. Ay, yuga la mano, giga punate.
Baila punta,
Ay, teka manito, teka panate.
baila punta,
California Kids, yuga la mana.
baila punta,
Ay, giga bujule, giga buiva.
baila punta,
Ay, robo, como sani na muga.
baila punta,
Ay, teka manito, giga mama.
baila punta,
Ay, teka manito, teka panate.
baila punta,
Abarube, dime de puta.
baila punta.
Ay, ay, ay. Gozamos. Ay, como viva, dime de puta.
Baila punta,
Ay, como una hija bujoni.
baila punta,
Ay, teka manito, teka panate.
baila punta,
Ay, como casi, como Pablo.
baila punta,
Ay, robo, como sani na muga.
baila punta,
Ay, como Puti, como Kiwi.
baila punta,
Ay, barube, mama, yuga le pana.
baila punta,
Ay, yuga la mano, como Niki.
baila punta.
Ay, no.
Caricuna Kids, special show, a special tribute to the band that revolutionized Caricuna music. Straight from New York, Caricuna Kids band. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the weekly radio show heard every Wednesday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. right here at www.radiocentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Tonight's special show is a tribute to Caricuna Kids. And we'll make sure we play every single song from the 4 albums that Caricuna Kids recorded back in the 90s. So thank you again for listening. This is DJ La Buga live on direct. And so this will be your weekly radio show. Caricuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga. Hemos ya.
Agaripuna Kids, yuga la pana.
Nade, nade,
Agaripuna pala, yuga la pana.
nade, nade,
Ay, rumba, como sani na muga.
nade, nade.
Dita muka, bala bakot. Roma na, dita muga, 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 bala bakot.
This is RadioCentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa. Esta es Radio Centroamérica y su programa de música y de temas de la comunidad garífuna con DJ La Buga, que se transmite a través de www.radiocentroamerica.com todos los miércoles de 8:30 a 10:30 de la noche. Escuchen.
Sunanu materi dabo, 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 sunanu materi dabo. Anga baba na bungo ni da, anga baba na libari baba, di gusa na buseru. con aquí y se mete puta. Ay, 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 ay.
Esta es Radio Centroamérica y su programa de música y de temas de la comunidad garífuna con DJ.
Apúrate, Garifuna Kids.
My God! My God!
¿Cuánto galitea?
Y te papiré, Olivia vive.
radiocentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your weekly radio show heard on Wednesdays from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. right here at www.radiocentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Tonight's a special tribute to Garifuna Kids. Yes, and in a few minutes we're going to be calling Manuel Amaya, former member of Garifuna Kids, who moved from New York to Los Angeles, who is now retired from the music, but the man has a lot of stuff to tell regarding the band Garifuna Kids. So thank you for listening. We're live and direct from Long Beach on Radio Centroamérica, la radio sin fronteras. ¿Qué motea?
Esta es Radio Centroamérica y su programa de música y de temas de la comunidad garífuna con DJ La Buga, que se transmite a través de www.radiocentroamerica.com todos los miércoles de 8:30 a 10:30 de la noche. Escúchenos.
nuestros antepasados en Centroamérica se establecieron. Cuando llegaron nuestros antepasados en Centroamérica se establecieron. Huyendo están del sufrimiento mortal, la esclavitud que tapa el hijo del sol. Huyendo están del sufrimiento mortal, la esclavitud que tapa el hijo del sol. Cansado estoy de esta vieja realidad, quiero vivir este nuevo despertar. Cansado estoy de esta vieja realidad, quiero vivir este nuevo despertar. Yorumegue, 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 natiru mama wakuburigo. Yorumegue, 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 natiru mama wapamilinya. Yorumegue, 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 natiru mama wakuburigo. Chuluguaya de Garifuna Kids, Uwe Junior. Ligito ligi, ligito ligi, ligito ligi, ligito ligi, bule pana, bule yo bule, que bonito, que bate que va, balaba baña, balaba balaba, Garifuna Kids, no me oaba, bule pana, que bonito, balaba baña, ligito ligi, ligito ligi. Sí, los nenes de la punta. Si a ti neredero ni bugaya, amanido ello. Si a ti neredero ni bugaya, amanido enyura. Oso na disetu hawae, wait go to me bravo. Oso na disetu, oso na disetu hawae, wait go to me bravo.
Guatemala.
Un saludo para Tomasito Gotay. Tomás Gotay listening in Los Angeles. Thank you, Numada Michael Jackson. RadioCentroamerica.com. We're doing a tribute to Garifuna Kids. Good evening. Don't forget, this show runs every Wednesday from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. right here at www.radiocentroamerica.com, the station without borders. So we continue our show, but not before sending a big shout out to Herb Lopez, listening in Miami. Mr. Maimi Martinez, who will be here next week. He will be our special guest next week, Mr. Maimi Martinez from the Turtle Shell Band and from Forever Band. Also, Planamo Sound, Maurita Martinez, La Niurka Garifuna is listening in Los Angeles. Thank you. Yes, also want to send a big shout out to Berlin Ramirez, listening in Los Angeles. Of course, Fernando Ellington, Don Julian, thank you for listening. Jacobo Ortiz. Yes. And also in San Antonio, not Texas, San Antonio in Guatemala, they're listening live also. Francis Martinez, and each and every one of you who is behind your computer or on your smartphone, thank you for listening. Also, Luis Escobar from Puerto Barrios via Los Angeles. Thank you, Luisito, for listening. Michael Jackson, Tomás Gotay listening as well. Tribute to Garifuna Kids continues.
Boni
family, of course. Miss Verlaine Ramirez listening, as well as Ria, Miss Ria Lambe listening. Thank you for listening. This is DJ Labuga Live, a tribute to Garifuna Kids. And congratulations, Ria, on your achievement. ¿Qué motea?
Sabarenga, Bisiti, Garaduno, Oge Bayalo, Diga Buyen, Apura Bana, Digi La Bana, Garadu Mama, Garadu Nitu, Bisiti, Garaduno, Oge Bayalo, Diga Buyen. I know. Aha. Ago para te Cayetano. Zapata Goya, you can let man.
This is RadioCentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa.
O mere de badinati ya 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 o you are kurle na kuwa na go o mala wa buruni o mala wa buruni
RadioCentroamerica.com, and we have on the line one of the original members also of Garifuna Kids. Don Julian is on the line from New York. Hey, Don Julian, how are you, brother?
Hey, how you doing, DJ Labuga, Mr. Figueroa? How's everything, man?
Everything is good, man, especially when you call the show, knowing that you had just ended one show in New York about Garifuna music. So it's a good thing what you're doing, man.
Yes,
so
sir.
tell me.
Yes, sir, man. You know how it is, man. It's a labor of love, but it's a beautiful labor of love. Well, I say about it. You know, we just got off. You know, we do the same thing that you do. We just present the music to the people, so that the people can hear what's out there and what's available.
Yes, definitely, man. No, I have a lot of respect for you, man. You have a long history of being involved in dance groups, being a musician, and now a radio disc jockey, man, with your own show. I always tune in every Sunday and now every Wednesday. Prior to my show, I check you out, man. I was just listening to you, and you have some pretty good new music, man. But I really gotta give it to you, man. Let's talk a little bit about Garifuna Kids, man. I'm really interested in sharing with the audience. There's a lot of people out there listening who don't know about Garifuna Kids and their legacy. Tell us a little bit, man, how you got involved in the band.
Well, Garifuna Kids, it's a very interesting story. It's a group that started 24 years ago, to be exact. In fact, this year, September, will be the 24-year anniversary of the inception of Garifuna Kids. The way that happened was kind of weird. I was playing with a band with Benigno Guerrero. I don't know if you know Benigno Guerrero. He was with the Satellite.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, okay. I was playing with that band, and the name of the band was Eduardo Ballesteros y su Banda Show. That was the name of the band.
I see.
All right, and I was the youngest guy there. So his son, his name is Junior Guerrero. He was like 9 years old or 8 years old at the time. After we used to finish rehearsing with the older guys, it would be me and him doing our own little thing.
So you're talking about Big June, right?
Yes, Big June. Big June, but he wasn't Big June back then. He was a young kid. He was like 8 or 9 years old, but very talented.
Yes.
You know, he was very talented. Even back then, as a child, he was already advanced for his age. And we would rehearse.
Mm-hmm.
So I went on the first tour with I don't know what went down. Something happened, and Eduardo Ballesteros was removed from the group, and we went to tour to California that year, 1990. I believe you was the DJ there that year, Mr. Figueroa.
Uh-huh.
I believe you was the DJ. I'm more than
Yes, of
positive
course.
you was the DJ at that party.
Yes, I remember. Yeah, you guys used to come all the time. I used to DJ with you guys in San Diego, Los Angeles, all over the place.
Right. So, long story short, when I came back from that tour, I told my mother that I wanted to form a band with kids my age. You know, because I was working in a band, but, you know, the guys were older. They looked different to me. I just wanted to work with guys like my age. And Coco, man, because, you know, I grew up with Coco. I'm babysitting. I grew up with a cousin, Anthony. I went, how did the story went? Man. I went food shopping with my mother, and I seen Coke right on the corner of Riverdale and Rockaway Avenue in Brownsville, Brooklyn. And I told him, yo, you know, since I knew he liked to sing, I said, yo, you interested in forming a band? He said, yeah, why not? The very next day, he came to my house with Linky, Zapata, and Eddie, who plays with Legacy Gifted to this day.
Wow.
And that's how the Garifuna Kids formed. That's how it started.
Man, that's
Now,
amazing.
Yeah, that's how it started.
Man, some
Yes,
people
that's
want to
how
know
it
who you are, man. Can you please introduce yourself again to the audience? Verlaine Ramirez is asking. She's a big fan of Garifuna Kids, and actually she is listening in Los Angeles right now, and she would like to, first of all, send a big shout out to Eddie, Eddie Gregorio, her best friend, and of course she wants you to introduce yourself.
A big shout out to who?
Verlaine Ramirez.
Big shout, okay, Mr. Ramirez, big shout out to you. You know, thanks for listening to the program, and thanks for supporting Garifuna music.
Beautiful.
You know, my membership with the Garifuna Kids was short-lived.
Okay.
Although I'm a founding member, or I am the founder of the Garifuna Kids.
Wow.
I didn't stay there a long time. Yes.
Wow. So
I
how
didn't stay there a long time. Yeah.
where did the Roches brothers come in? What is the role in this whole
The
Garifuna
Roches-
Kids deal?
The Roches brothers came in about 3 or 4 years after we actually started.
Wow.
Yes.
That's
The
news for
Roches
me.
brothers didn't start the Garifuna Kids.
Well,
They
thank you for
came
clarifying
after,
that.
and they took, well, the Roches brothers did a lot of good for the Garifuna Kids.
Hmm.
But I wasn't there when they was involved. They did a lot of good things. They came in and it went to another level.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
Yes, we went to another level.
Wow,
yeah,
man,
but
this is great.
my membership there was short-lived. And, you know, of course, I went to go work with, you know, other groups, Caliga Band, and then Laroni Hati. I worked with Mando Ballesteros, Justo Castro, you know, a whole score of other artists out there.
Man.
And, yeah.
Well, that's some of my favorite bands. I remember every time I would go to the Bronx, I would hang out at Pola's place, and that's where Mando Ballesteros y su grupo Ubo used to come and hang out after their gig, man. It was a nice thing, you know, just to hang out with the boys there. I remember Justo Castro y su Yurumen band also. Great band, man. I didn't know you were part of those bands. Wow.
Yeah, well, Justo Castro album I actually produced that album. That album that they did back in '97, I actually produced that.
The green and black cover album?
Yes, I actually produced that album, yes.
Oh, okay, the one with the song El Jabalí, right?
Yes.
Okay, beautiful.
Yes, I actually produced that.
Beautiful. I love that album. I love it. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yeah, it's a good album. It's well put together. You know, but it's still a nice, how can I put it? It was a nice experience. You know, the timing was perfect for Garifuna music. I mean, we were a group of young kids born in the projects. We all grew up, came from the same place, and we were very proud of who we were, Garifuna.
Beautiful.
And the purpose of putting Garifuna kids together was to encourage other Garinagu to be proud of who they are.
Not only that,
and
but I think you guys started a revolution. You guys started creating a sense of pride and belonging. People wanted to learn the language, you know, basically because they wanted to understand and imitate what you guys were doing. And you guys inspired many other bands that had to deal with younger kids singing, you know, pretty much like New Edition, you know. That was great, man. I really appreciate your information, man, and the contribution to this show. Manuel Amaya should be on the line in a few. I invited him. He's been living here in L.A. for a while. Manuel was one of the original guys, too, from the first album. But, man, hearing your story, man, it makes me think, where was Piscine in all of this? Remember Piscine?
Piscine came after.
Oh, okay.
Piscine, Christian, those guys came after because, remember, they had different members. People were coming in and out of the group. And Piscine came after, but he established himself as a memorable member of the group.
Right.
Because he recorded in the first album. Piscine did record.
Exactly.
He recorded, you know, a couple of hits with them.
Yes.
He came after.
Okay.
You know, but he wasn't a part of the founding members, if you will.
I see. Who were the
group
founding
started
members?
in 1990. He wasn't there.
What year? And can you name some of the people who were the founding members of the group?
Oh, absolutely. The picture that you have posted on your page, that's the original Garifuna Kids.
Wow.
Those are the original. The picture, the purple shirts, that's the original. Everyone else came after. No disrespect to them, because everybody's membership and everyone's participation in that group was relevant. I want to make that clear. You know, I don't want to take away from the other guys, but the picture that you have posted, those are the original.
Wow. Beautiful.
Those are the original. Yes, sir.
Man, that's great. Now, we're talking about 1992, right? That was the birth of the band?
No. 1990.
1990. Wow. And it was right in the Bronx.
Yeah.
Man, that's beautiful.
No, Brooklyn. Brownsville, Brooklyn.
Oh, I see.
Our very first performance was in Brownsville, in Brooklyn. the 14th of September in a club called Emporio Hondureño. That was the very first time we ever performed.
Cateza. Oh my God. Yes, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I remember like it was yesterday.
Man, well, let me tell you something, Don Julian. Los Angeles happens to be one of the biggest fan base for Garifuna kids. Man, even up to today, people, Garifuna and non-Garifuna, remember how Garifuna kids came to just revolutionize the music industry as far as Garifuna music is concerned. And it is a true statement because I used to DJ every time Garifuna kids came, and I could see, man, the fan base was heavy hitters, man. People would follow them to San Diego, everywhere you guys went. And so even up to today, man, we still remember one of the greatest band of all, Garifuna kids.
I'm very proud of them. Each and every single member of the group, the founding members, and the people who came thereafter. I'm very proud of all of them because they all did their thing. As a group, collectively, and independently, they all became successful solo artists and successful producers. Very proud of them. They did a good thing.
Yes, indeed.
They made history.
Especially Eddie Gregorio, man, with Legacy Gifted today, man, that band still continues. They're doing their thing, and Eddie has just grown from being a musician to producing and directing and managing the band, you know? Thank you, man, for sharing with us not one, but many of the fondest moments that you experienced while being a member of Garifuna Kids. Whether it was in the studio recording, in the rehearsal, or while you were in concert, man, I imagine the kind of crazy stuff that was going on backstage. Clean fun, you know, having a good time, though.
Mr. Figueroa, thanks for having me on, man. You know, thanks for having me on, and I like what you're doing, too. And I'm going to continue to tune in, man. You know how it is.
Yes. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Beautiful. But thank you, man. Thank you for calling. We shall continue with the show tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, we had Don Julian on the line. He has a radio show on bravasound.net. No, go ahead. You tell him, man. You tell him about your show.
We have Old School Sundays every Sunday on bravasound.net. And we have every Wednesday night, Puntology, Eastern Time, 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. And you hear all new Garifuna music. So Sundays is old stuff, Wednesdays new stuff.
Thank you, Don Julian.
That's what we do.
Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is DJ Labuga, live and direct, Radio Centroamerica. Thank you, brother Don Julian, for participating and calling. And we shall continue with the show tonight. Demos ya Wabina Wapedu. Yes, man.
Garifuna Kids, los niños de la montaña. Ven conmigo a bailar ritmo Garifuna para tú menear la cadera. Vamos todos a gozar con los Garifuna, el grupo que nos dio la nueva generación. Mi ritmo Punta Rap, tenemos que bailar meneando la cadera. Mira, te va a gustar Latinoamérica, ya baila Punta Rap, no te quedes atrás y baila tú también. ¿Y tú? Baila Punta Mami, meneando la cadera, meneando la cintura con esta nueva rumba. Baila Punta Mami, meneando la cadera, meneando la cintura con esta nueva rumba. En Norteamérica se baila con amor, en México también se baila Punta Rap, allá en el Caribe también la bailarán. En Centroamérica no se quedan atrás, en Sudamérica también está la punta. Si tú quieres bailar, goza mi música. ¿Y tú? Baila Punta Mami, meneando la cadera, meneando la cintura con esta nueva rumba. Baila Punta Mami, meneando la cadera, meneando la cintura con esta nueva rumba.
Garifuna Kids con el...
Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United Incorporated through its Clifford J. Palacio Garifuna Language and Culture Academy invites you to the Saturday classes every Saturday at 11 in the morning at 8039 South Vermont, Los Angeles, California 90044, corner of 81st and Vermont. For more information, visit our website www.garifunaherintagefoundation.org or call 323-898-6841. We are right on the corner of Vermont at 81st at the Community Center, Luba Furende Gafu. Guest teachers every week. Don't forget, language and drumming, as well as Zumba Luma Punta classes for free for all, every Saturday beginning March 22nd throughout the year 2014, 11 a.m. for the Garifuna language classes and 12 o'clock for the Zumba Luma Punta. Get fit, stay fit with Zumba Luma Punta. Free classes for the entire family. Bring your drums and bring the family, and we'll have a good time. Learn Garifuna classes are interactive, and you will learn through singing and drumming. Come and learn.
Hey,
boy, hey, mi bagare, abu bamuleno. Kabasa, me mi chica bonito, masiti niña, hey mabanade. Kabasa, hey mi chica bonate, mas en sutina, hey magala sungo. Kabasa. Kabani chikamo, nito kujabu aho. Kabani chikamo, abu bamuleno. Kabani chikamo, nito agaba bana. Kabani chikamo, abu bamuleno. Meni chica bonito, masiti niña, hey mabanare. Ay, meni chica bonate, mas en sutina, hey magala sungo.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is DJ La Buga live and direct. LaBuga.com radio. Okay. We have a special guest on the other side of the line. We have on the line Mr. Herman Roches, one of the, of course, owners of Garifuna Kids. Mr. Herman Roches, Ida Bianchi.
Budigati ni mama ninguna na gambo bumala lima.
Hey, abale.
Batiga gararo butinye Los Angeles.
Lida da. Gracias, papá. Gracias por estar. Dale.
I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you and congratulations. Felicidades.
Thank you, Nomada. Thank you, man. Thank you for taking the time to call. We are paying a special tribute this evening to Garifuna Kids, one of the greatest bands that revolutionized Garifuna music, not only in the United States, but in the world. I think you guys did a good job with managing the band. So, man, the show is yours. Tell us what's up.
Thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. I will speak in English and Spanish.
Go ahead.
I know you have a lot of Spanish-speaking people. I know all Belizeans, they don't like for me to speak Spanish.
Uh-huh.
But, you know, at the other side, in La Boga, Honduras, and all countries that we went through, they would like to hear their language, you know?
Yes, indeed.
Claro. Primeramente quiero agradecer, pues, este momento especial que tú has dedicado a Garifuna Kids. Me da hasta escalofrío la historia que dio uno de los fundadores número uno, don Julian. Yo no sé por qué él tuvo pena decir que es Roche, si los Roches somos poder, ¿me entiendes?
Sí, es cierto.
Entonces él prácticamente dio toda la historia en inglés y yo voy a repetir lo que él dijo en español.
Ajá.
Porque él dio la historia como es de Garifuna Kids. Él es uno de los fundadores de Garifuna Kids.
Uh-huh.
Junto a Big June. Los hermanos Roches entramos ya después, porque la historia entra cuando yo andaba de noviazgo con la prima de Linky, la que ahora es mi esposa desde hace 25 años ya.
Wow, qué
¿me entiendes? Entonces yo vivía en el barrio
y yo miraba cuando ellos andaban pidiendo chamba prácticamente, pidiendo chance a los grupos para ellos tocar.
Ajá.
O para ellos presentar su talento.
Ajá.
Así comienza la historia de Garifuna Kids. Ellos practicaban con el papá de Big Jun, porque él tenía su grupo, manejaba, como dijo Julian, a Eduardo Ballestero y su grupo Show. Y el maestro Benigno Guerrero era el director de la orquesta, ¿me entiendes?
Correcto.
Y Big Jun andaba ahí pues de mascota del grupo.
Excelente.
Y así es como comienza Garifuna Kids. Los primeros son Big Jun y Julian Roches.
Excelente.
Ahora conocido artísticamente como Don Julian. So my big shout out for you, cause you give the story, or the original story of Garifuna Kids. Así que aquí estamos haciendo prácticamente el mismo trabajo. Creo que estamos volviendo a esos momentos especiales de los 90, donde nuestra música cogió fuerza, cogió auge. Yo creo que el trabajo que tú estás haciendo en Los Ángeles, el trabajo que está haciendo Don Julian en Nueva York, ahora yo me he unido también al grupo junto al presidente de Sociedad Andino Nueva York aquí, Chani, el señor Crescencio Bulnes. Entonces, pues creo que ya tenemos que estar conectados, Los Ángeles, Nueva York, Houston, y esperamos que podamos armar más espacio, más radios en todos los estados donde están la comunidad garífuna.
Buen punto, hermano. We have on the line one of the original managers and owners of Garifuna Kids. He said that he came into the picture, him and his family who managed Garifuna Kids came into the picture a little after Don Julian and Big Junior founded or formed Garifuna Kids. So he was reassuring that whatever Don Julian said is very accurate and there should be more unity, that we should all work together to make not only the show in New York, Don Julian show, but our show here in Los Angeles bigger, because the community is big enough to have not one radio show, but many, and give the opportunity to feature musicians and the music such as the one that we're featuring today, which is Garifuna Kids, which recorded 4 albums. ¿Verdad que sí, señor Roches? El grupo Garifuna Kids logró grabar 4 álbumes.
Es correcto, hermano, es correcto. Es correcto. Con Garifuna Kids tuvimos 4 álbumes. Y bueno, es una larga historia. Vamos a ver si encontramos algún productor de Hollywood ahí para que lleve la historia de Garifuna Kids a Hollywood, donde comenzamos la historia presentándonos para reafirmar nuestra identidad, porque cuando nosotros llegamos a la ciudad de Nueva York no había una seguridad donde los jóvenes tenían su propia identidad, no había aquella confianza de decir los muchachos, yo soy garífuna, ya sea de Belice, de Guatemala, de Honduras o Nicaragua o garífuna americano, ¿entiendes?
Sí,
pero ellos, el mensaje de Garifuna Kids en ese momento fue que ellos no eran americanos, que ellos eran garífunas. Y eso fue lo que impactó y eso fue lo que le dio el inicio de la identidad garífuna dentro de la juventud aquí en los Estados Unidos.
Excelente. Gracias por dar tu 2 centavos hacia la historia de uno de los grandes grupos, y también un gran respeto para la familia Roches por su dedicación y por haber educado a estos niños para que no usaran drogas, no tomaran alcohol, para que fueran rectos en cada una de sus presentaciones y dieran una buena imagen cada vez que se presentaban encima de la tarima o fuera de la tarima. So let me repeat this in English. one of the things that I like about the Roches brothers is that they made sure that all the Garifuna Kids members did not use drugs or drank any alcohol. Every time they were on stage or away from the stage, they were to conduct themselves such as the people that they are today. You know, nice, clean kids, drug-free and alcohol-free. And those are one of the accomplishments that I got to give you guys props, because you set the pace for a band to grow to the level of Garifuna Kids, you know, without having any type of distraction, because drugs and alcohol could have been a distraction, not only for the band members, for management, right?
Correcto.
Los micrófonos son tuyos, papá.
Quiero saludar también a Manuelito Amaya. Yo sé que tú lo vas a tener ahí en línea. Yo sé que 2 horas para la radio no es mucho tiempo, así que no sé cuánto tiempo más tengo, porque nuestra historia es grande y tengo que saludar y darle el respeto al resto de mis hermanos, que fueron ellos los que me ayudaron para que llevar el proyecto de Garifuna Kids a otro nivel. Yo solo no lo iba a hacer sin el apoyo de César Roches, sin el apoyo de Denis Roches, el apoyo de Jorge Roches, el apoyo de Giovanni Roches, de Carlos Roches, Melvin Roches, Jaime Antonio Roches. Somos una dinastía, somos un montón.
Wow, tremenda familia, tradicionalmente garífuna, ¿sí, no? ¿Cuántos son en total?
Claro. Somos 9.
9.
Pero la gente solamente conoce 4. Los 4 somos los que damos la cara. Y por si nos pasa algo, tenemos 5 atrás que nadie los conoce, pero están ahí.
Excelente, gracias, papá. Fíjate que definitely we have all the time. 2 hours is not enough. Definitely, he was saying that 2 hours is not enough for a radio show of this caliber to be able to tell the story behind Garifuna Kids and behind the management team made up of 4 brothers. The 4 Roches brothers who were behind in good times and in bad times, because it was not easy dealing with young kids traveling from state to state, and to the point that they had to travel outside of the United States. They went to Belize, they went to Guatemala, they went to Honduras, and who knows what else you guys, any other places you got visited. But it is a big responsibility, because you took the place of the parents of each one of these youngsters who was part of the band. Isn't that true?
La verdad que tuvimos el apoyo de todos los padres, porque por lo menos los hermanos Roches venimos de una familia muy respetada. Agradecemos la educación que nos dieron nuestros padres, el señor Feliciano Roches y la señora Norma Reyes, que mucha gente no los conoce, pero ellos son el poder detrás del trono. Ellos son que nos educaron a nosotros para nosotros poder ser ejemplo para estos jóvenes en aquel momento, y todavía seguimos siendo ejemplo para los jóvenes.
Excelente. Gracias, hermano, por haberse reportado aquí a nuestra estación. Es un honor y estamos endeudados con ustedes como una familia de abolengo y de tradición en lo que musicalmente se reconoce, ¿no? No solamente han tenido a Garifuna Kids, yo creo que han tenido también a Black Soul Man o something like that, algo, sí, ¿no? El nombre del grupo.
Black Man Soul, Black Man Soul, por el trabajo que realizamos con Garifuna Kids, el gobierno de Honduras reconoció ese trabajo que hicimos con
Black Man Soul, ajá. Te estás cortando un poco.
Sí, repito, gracias al trabajo de proyección que hicimos con Garifuna Kids, el Congreso de la República de Honduras nos reconoció a Black Man Soul y a los Roches Brothers como embajadores culturales de la República de Honduras.
Bravo, bravo.
Representando
Eso se
a
merece un
nuestra
aplauso,
comunidad
papá. Claro que sí.
garífuna en los 4 puntos cardinales de la tierra.
Excelente, buen trabajo, y eso es el reconocimiento al sudor de ustedes. Gracias, hermano, por haberse reportado. Continuamos con el tributo a Garifuna Kids. Orgullo de la familia Roches, orgullo de la familia hondureña, orgullo de la familia Garifuna, transnacional, pero que comparte una misma cultura. ¿Qué motea? Guabinaja, continuamos,
Gracias,
familia.
sí.
Gracias, papito.
Gracias, señor Labuga, que Dios te bendiga, hermano, y estás haciendo un excelente trabajo y te seguiremos apoyando. Ok, suerte por ahí y bendiciones a todos.
Thank you, Niabuno, Mada. Ayo. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we shall continue with the music. That was one of the Roches brothers who called to check in and make sure that that he also pays the tribute to one of the greatest bands, Garifuna Kids. From the management point of view, he spoke nicely and to the point. Thank you so much, and we shall continue to dance and listen to a little bit of Garifuna music live, and we shall continue with more music. This is DJ Labuga Live, Radio Centroamérica.
My God! My God!
Luma DJ Labuga. I want to take a minute to send a big shout out to my very good friend. Let's see if I remember. Wow, he just checked in on Facebook page. From, let's see, Guatemala, Livingston, living in New York. My very good friend, man, Dieter's father. I keep forgetting, man. I have to go and look it up. Anyways, let's continue to listen to Garifuna Kids. Then we're going to listen to some Legacy Gifted and Garifuna Legacy as well. Temos ya.
Karina Gu, Agamba Bay, Samina Bay, Sumagay Dabatia. So
Again.
want to send a big shout out to Mariela Tobar listening in Los Angeles. Mariela, we're about to call Eddie Gregorio right now. Eddie, give me a call, nomada 323-898-6841. I don't have your number. Manuelito Amaya, repórtese por favor. Quémote, ¿ah?
adiwa tuweni udeme titari kwa kunie
Gamba Bay, Gamba Nay, Sawana, Dimuna, Garina Go, La Bugana,
This is RadioCentroamerica.com.
Oh yeah.
We're bringing it back to the original. Yes, we started with Garifuna Kids, a tribute to Garifuna Kids tonight. So we'll bring it back. We're going to close the show with a couple of more tunes from Garifuna Kids. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your weekly radio show heard right here on Radio Centroamérica every Wednesday from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. The station without borders, La Estación Sin Fronteras. Tonight's tribute to Garifuna Kids was brought to you by Gafu Garifuna Language and Culture Academy. Bueno, I want to send a big shout out to Braulio Álvarez, tremendo amigo de Livingston La Buga, escuchando en el Valle de San Fernando. Also, or maybe, no, you know what? He's driving on his truck right now. Que motea, Wabina, huh? Marielita Tobar, thank you for listening. Verlaine Ramirez, thank you for partying with me. Yes, Miss Ria Lambit, thank you for partying with me as well. My beautiful wife Cheryl in the living room, also jamming to some Garifuna Kids right now. To my very good friends in New York, thank you for listening. To the Roches brothers, much respect to them. To Don Julian for such a great job as a musician, as a producer, as a promoter, and now as a radio DJ personality in Puntology on Brava Sound Net, and of course tonight's show every Wednesday from 10 p.m. to 12 midnight Eastern Time. So don't forget to listen. Tune in next week. We have Miami Martinez from the Turtle Shell Band, and also Forever Man, Mr. Miami Martinez will be here next week, live and direct. RadioCentroamerica.com, the station without borders. I couldn't say goodbye without saying and giving a big shout out to my very good friend Dale Ogaldes in Chicago. Let's continue to party. Ladies and gentlemen, tribute to Garifuna Kids.
tadi, hingiti dede. Ay hingiti tabu, hingiti tadi. Ay lukale mana ki kabonate. Ay hingiti budi, hingiti naga. Sabuge sarama, sabuge sarama, sabuge sarama, sabuge sarama, sabuge sarama gaga, sabuge sarama gaga. Ay hingiti budi, hingiti tabu, hingiti tadi, hingiti dede. Lukale mana ki kabonate. Honduras, nosotros somos Garifuna.
My God! My God!
Guatemala, vamos a bailar. Con Garifuna aquí, vamos a rumbar. Con Garifuna aquí, vamos a
beta batería no llegue a Christian. Toca ver.
Garina koniye Oswata mna ugari funake Ama balisina Lisanu kuyo babu Baho Delinki zapata Good the bass ya Laune mi bebe Laune se bebe Onso garina
Punta
Santepan
Garifuna Boys the West Coast.
Inagetumba Ugata dinan kuchuro Inagetumba Kasawe hiyan kuchuro Ugaba dinala Kasawe hiyan kuchuro Ugaba dinala Casambaria Habae. Casambando Habae, Casambaria Habae. Nanayo, Lugu Churo Mate Girate, Lula Nunu Yaginye. Nanayo, Lugu Churo Mate Girate, Lula Nunu Yaginye. Cuando él era un niño, eso no era así. Cuando él era un niño, eso no era así.
RadioCentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa. This is Radio Centroamerica with DJ La Buga, Carifuna Music and Talk. Listen to my program every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. until 10:30 p.m. on www.radiocentroamerica.com, or you could download TuneIn to listen live every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. through its Clifford J. Palacio Garifuna Language and Cultural Academy invites you to the Saturday classes every Saturday at 11 in the morning at 8039 South Vermont, Los Angeles, California 90044, corner of 81st and Vermont. For more information, visit our website www.garifunaheritagefoundation.org or call 323-898-6841. We are right on the corner of Vermont and 81st at the Community Center. Luma Purete Gafu. Guest features every week. Don't forget, language and drumming as well as Zumba Luma Punta classes for free for all every Saturday beginning March 22nd throughout the year 2014. 11 a.m. for the Garifuna language classes and 12 o'clock for the Zumba Luma Punta. Get fit, stay fit with Zumba Luma Punta. Free classes for the entire family. Bring the drums and bring the family and have a good time. Interactive
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Great show. I want to thank all of you listening out there. Miss Sharon S.K. Williams listening. Also, Miss Mamaga Garifuna listening right in the living room. Lakeisha Gregorio, Verlaine Ramirez, of course, Ria Lambe listening as well in Los Angeles. And in Palmdale, my very good friend from Labuga, Livingston, Nisi Chidiosito Gonzalez Kemotia. So thank you again. Good night. Buitiguño. It's time to go to bed. And hope to see you next week. Next week, I have a very special guest, Mr. Maimi Martinez, former member of the Turtle Shell Band and Forever Band. Of course, he is the man behind great albums recorded at Umalali Studio here in Los Angeles. I want to say a big shout out also to Wilfred Guerrero, listening also in Los Angeles. Thank you. Good night. Buitiguño and Day Di Masu. We'll see you next week on Wednesday. Ayo.